The Vice-Chancellor of the National Open University of Nigeria, Professor Olufemi Peters, has said there is the need for Nigerian universities to embrace technology-enabled learning in order to remain relevant in the mandate of teaching. He said this at a two-day workshop on policy initiatives for digital learning in Nigerian universities. It was organized by the Regional Training and Research Institute for Distance and Open Learning, RETRIDROL, in collaboration with Commonwealth of Learning and the African Center of Excellence and Technology Enhanced Learning, Estel. While commending the sponsors of the workshop, Professor Peters, represented by the Deputy Vice-Chancellor Technology, Innovation and Research, Professor Moniolu Olaniyi, said the COVID-19 pandemic is a wake-up call for institutions to address policy issues in the planning and deployment of digital learning.
Open universities like the National Open University of Nigeria are primarily dependent on media and technology for the delivery of our operations and for teaching and learning, whereas conventional counterparts now talk of blended learning of one form or another.
Earlier, the director of RETRIDROL, Professor Christine Ofulue, said the workshop will provide participants the opportunity to discuss contextualized policy framework for the successful implementation of digital learning at their various institutions.
The aim is to provide participants with key insights into comprehensive view of digital learning that will foster positive attitudes in educators, learners, and harness their potential value for faculty, students, and institutions.
Resource persons and participants at the event were drawn from across Nigerian universities.